Hi friends, welcome to our channel Aspire Success. Today we are going to discuss about polity MCQs asked in TSSI 2016 prelims examination. So let's start our MCQs. First question: Economic and social planning is in options union list, state list, concurrent list, residual powers. Answer 3. Concurrent list. Next question: Which of the following articles of the Constitution cannot be suspended during the period of national emergency? Options: Article 32, Article 21, Article 19, and Article 15. Answer: Article 21, that is, protection of life and personal liberty. Then, question number 3. Consider the following statements. A. Statement A: Right to Education Act makes education a fundamental right. Statement B: Right to Education Act was passed in the year 2009. Statement C: Right to Education Act assured free and compulsory education to the children between years 6 to 14. Which of the following statement given above is are correct? Options: A and B, B and C, A and C, A, B and C. Answer: option 4, A, B and C. Fourth question: Minimum duration of stay in India before applying for Indian citizenship is. Options: 1. 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Answer: option 4, 7 years. Then question number 5. Read the following statements. Statement A: The first hour of every parliament day is reserved for questions. Statement B: 0 hour is a typical Indian innovation in the field of parliamentary practice. Statement C: Judicial control over administrative acts stem from natural law. The correct answer is R. Option 1, A is correct, B and C are wrong. Option 2, A, B and C are correct. Option 3, A, B and C are wrong. Option 4, A and C are wrong, B is correct. Answer all, A, B, C are correct. Question 6. Supreme Court of India enjoys the power of judicial review, which means the power to A. Review the judgments of state high courts. B. Review the functioning of the Council of Ministers. C. Advise the President of India. D. Decide the constitutionality of an act passed by the legislature and order of the executive. Which of the above statements are correct? A and B, B and C, D only, C and D. And the answer: D only. Next question. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. ADM Jabalpur case, Rights of Citizens under Emergency, Vishaka case, Center-State Relations, Indira Sawhney case, Rights of Women at Work, Kartar Singh case, Rights of Minorities. Options: A, B, C, D. Which is correct? Answer is A, ADM Jabalpur case. Then Vishaka case, Rights of Women at Work, Indira Sawhney case, Rights of Minorities, Kartar Singh case. Search this and comment below. Then next question, 8th. Consider the following statements. Statement A: The first National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes was constituted in the year 1992. Statement B. First National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes was constituted under 65th Constitutional Amendment Act. Statement C. C.H. Hanumantappa was the chairman of the First National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Which of the following statements given above are correct? And the options A and B, B and C, A and C, A, B and C. The answer option 1, A and B. Ninth question. Consider the following statements. Statement A. Proclamation of state emergency under Article 356 can continue beyond 1 year if the High Court of the state certifies that the situation in the state is very serious. B. The governor of the state certifies that law and order situation is not under control. C. The election commission certifies that it is difficult to hold elections to the assembly. Then D. The president is satisfied about the grave situation in the state through independent investigation. Which of the above statements are correct? A only, B and C, C only, A and D. And the answer? 3, C only. Next question, 10th. Read the following. A member of a house belonging to any political party shall be disqualified from being a member of house. A. If he expelled from the party. B. If he has voluntarily given up his membership of such political party. C. If he votes or abstains from voting against the whip of the political party to which he belongs. Which of the above statements are correct? A and B, B and C, A, B and C, fourth A only. Answer 2, B and C. Next question, 11th. Assertion. The Parliament is empowered to alter the boundaries of any existing state of India. Reasoning. A bill pertaining to the alteration of the boundaries of any state can be introduced only in Rajya Sabha. Answer. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct and R is not correct. A is not correct and R is correct. Answer. A is correct and R is not correct. Read the following. A. The provision of all India services are explicitly stated in the Constitution of India. B. The provision of National Development Council is not stated in the Constitution of India. C. Stamp duty is levied by the Union but collected and appropriated by the states. The correct answer is R. Options. A is correct, B and C are wrong. A, B and C are correct. A, B and C are wrong. A and C are wrong, but B is correct. Answer 2. A, B and C are correct. Next question. 13th. Who among the following presidents of India was associated with the trade union movement in India? Options 1. V.V. Giri, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Zakir Hussain or Venkataraman. Answer V.V. Giri. We'll look into his picture. The next question, 14th question, last question. Match the following. List 1 and list 2. List 1 consisting of committees. A. Hiten Bhaiya Committee, that is salaries and pensions of government employees. B. Gangopadhyaya Committee, electricity. Konneru Ramakrishna Rao Committee, public sector industries. Subramaniam Committee, higher education. Answer A2. Hiten Bhaiya Committee is electricity. And B1. Gangopadhyaya Committee is salaries and pensions of the government employees. Konneru Ramakrishna Rao Committee is higher education. Subramaniam Committee is for public sector industries. Thanks for watching. For more, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Aspire Success. Thank you.